Beautiful day, guys. Just getting ready right here, loading some gas, and I'm about to do a big cleanup today. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be able to get this new property right here. It's gonna be a cleanup. Okay guys, like I say, this is gonna be a big cleanup. I had to do trimming, clean up all of this stuff right here, all of this right here on the back, all the way here. So this is it's gonna be a lot of work. All of that stuff right there, all of this needs to be cleaned up. This here, tree work, and take a look at this right here. A lot of leaves all the way through here. So that's what it is, guys. It's gonna be fun, a lot of work, a lot of money. So I've been trimming a little bit of this right here, and I need my help, my machete, because I need to get all these vines off the tree. My big fear right here on this property, guys, is the leaves. And it's normal when people don't pick up the leaves for let's say 2 or 3 years. You know what I'm talking about. It's a lot of leaves. So that's my bigger fear over here on this property, but it's nothing impossible. It's just rake. It's been raining for the past 3 weeks, so the leaves are very wet, but that's how it is. It's gonna be a lot of tree work too, as you can see. Trees, and they already asked me, so we're gonna proceed too. So yeah, gonna go ahead with this. And so from Harbor Tools yesterday for $5, so we're gonna go ahead and use it today. It's not good, not bad. Okay guys, first thing, I was trimming this right here, and the owner from the other side, they just came by and they stopped me. They say that that tree is belong to them. What she's telling me is the fence is built on the different area. She's telling me that that fence is supposed to be maybe on this area right here. So the tree is on this side, but she said the trees belong to their property. So I'm not gonna go ahead and do anything. I'm not gonna continue with my job. That's all I'm going to do, guys. I blow and I cut and blow everything right here. And the thing is, I have my mower on my trailer, so I need a lot of room so I can load my stuff. So I'm gonna go and come back. Gonna see if I can get another guy so I can get the job done. Stay tuned for more. So far, guys, I'm moving to another property. My plans are changing right now, so I hope I am doing the right thing. The reason why I am moving to another property is because this property is in another city, and that's the only one I had so far. And I don't want to be a bad guy leaving this lady without cutting her grass tomorrow, because this job right here and some other properties that I still have on my list for tomorrow. So what I am going to do today is I'm gonna go over there and mow, and on my way to that city right there, I'm gonna cut another grass over here in Austin so I can dump some of the trash and just show up over there. And after that one, I'm gonna go home. So tomorrow I'm planning to hire another person or do it myself, but with plenty of time, you know. That's gonna be a lot better for me because I can rest on one property, I can take it easy and do the job and get the money. Very simple. Okay guys, let me update you the reason why I'm moving. I'm gonna do this, and you probably see this property on the before. It's a huge property, and I'm gonna take advantage of this because this is gonna be good money too. Take a look. So I'm planning to do this maybe in 30-40 minutes, and then I can go. Takes me about 30-40 minutes, lots of blowing, and I'm gonna move to the next property and then I can go home. Stay tuned for more. Okay guys, so this is the second day I am on the same job, and the reason I left early yesterday from this property is because I was carrying my mowers on my trailer and I was not able to carry all the leaves. The good thing about this property is a lot of trees. Take a look. Oh. I left one stick behind. That's what it is. And I'm still have to do that side. That's gonna be my last load, and I'm planning to take everything on one trip to the recycle. So after getting everything right here, I'm gonna go on the other side. There's plenty of leaves on the other side, so it's gonna be fun. Stay tuned for the end. Finish this, just gonna load everything, all the branches, and I may have to do a little bit of trimming right there right now, and then we're gonna talk about the trees, and that's gonna be another project because so far I'm just gonna do the leaves today, and there's a lot of hanging branches, a lot of trees. Grass is not growing that much. And another thing, to be honest, grass is not growing because there's so many leaves on the ground, so you know the lawn can't breathe because it's complete covered with the leaves. Like these leaves are old, maybe like 3 years old. That's what it is. So far, before blowing all the areas where I got the lids off, so that's what I have. Trailer is almost full, but like you say, I'm still have this small section. I think there's more leaves under those branches right there, and everything else is fine. So just a quick blowing around the property, and that's gonna be maybe another 1 or 2 of those buckets, and I can get out of here. the extra debris just from the blowing. There's a lot. So my plans on this property was, my plan was to finish this property around 3 p.m. and that's basically is going to happen. So this is what I have after blowing everything, and property is looking nice and clean. Why I blow instead of raking? Because blowing is better. Raking takes more time and it's gonna make me work hard. Blowing is better. So you can see the roots. All I need is aeration and should be ready for get ready for spring. Thank you guys. That's what it is. So this job is incomplete. Everything has been done. You already see that area right there. I don't trim anything of this right now because the neighbors were they were complaining about it. So basically the cleanup is complete. That's what it is. All of the lids has been picked up. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and for me, I just gonna rinse my arms and gonna go to the landfill or the recycle center, throw that away. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for watching. Enjoy life.